What's up, y'all? It's your Master Lee. Alright, today we are here. Looks like we're at the YMCA with the big Y, but no, that's not the case. We are at the Palms Casino. We haven't been back here in a long time. And the place has changed. It is now owned by Mava, which is a Indian casino. So they've done a number of upgrades. It's a lot nicer. I'm curious what it looks like now. So we're doing a walk around today. All right, let's do it. This will also let us scout out a good slot machine to play. We are new gamblers. Vegas has finally corrupted us. After living here for 5 years, after not gambling for 10 years, I now play slots every week. That's bad. That's bad, Lulu.
Oh, you like it. You like it.
I like it. I like it. Who doesn't like an addiction?
But have they renovated the whole?
I don't know how much they renovated. I want to be honest with you. Before we came, it was already a really nice place.
Yeah.
I always thought it was.
Because it's been long.
Yeah, it's been a good couple of years since we've been here. But it was always one of the nicer local joints. And it's kind of like half local and half for tourists. Because it's not on the strip. It's just off the strip across the freeway. But it's really close. So, you know, you could argue that a lot of people come here just from out of town and love it. And unlike a local casino, they have a lot of things here that they normally don't have. They like buffet. They have a lot of great shows here. Oh, look at this food court.
This is nice.
Yeah. They do have a theater. The theater looks closed. Otherwise, they had deals before for locals. So let's see, what do they got now? They have Coffee and Bean, Earl of Sandwiches, that's a great place. Panda Express, and McDonald's. So if you're looking for a food court, they got that. Ooh, the sports section here looks pretty legit. That's pretty nice, huh? Wow, snazzy. Oh, what's interesting is, even though this is, look at this, they got a dedicated buffalo zone. Whole zone here just for buffalo. I mean, I know this was popular slots, but I did not realize people freaking love buffaloes.
They love it. Oh my god.
I mean, please, like, tell me what's the appeal. I played the mobile app version, and I think what makes it fun is that there's like a bonus in a bonus, right? So like you can get free spins, but it doesn't guarantee anything. You have to get like lined up with the tons of buffalo, and then you get a stampede. So there's a sports section which has its own little gambling floor too, which is nice. So if you come here, make your bets, watch sports, while also playing slots at the same time. That's like double tapping. Wow, huh? That's snazzy. Okay, I gotta ask you this, Luda. These chairs, these cowhide chairs, is it trendy or is it ugly? What do you? Yeah, I'd say they're ugly.
But they're so busy because the tiles is already have that.
Yeah, you know what? You're right. It's almost like too much. The carpet, the tile, and the chair together. So here's Maybell's Barbecue. I've never been here. Not even open yet. Why is that the case? I don't know. I mean, it's dinner time. It's already like.
They close on Tuesday and Wednesday.
Oh, okay. I guess business ain't hopping enough that they're literally closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. I don't know why. I mean, look around. It's pretty busy here. For Wednesday night?
Vegas one, yeah.
Nah, Vegas don't close unless it can make money. Otherwise, they will open 24 hours a day if they could. That's the Vegas way. Let's check out the high limits room here.
Oh my god, is that the new one? Oh my god, it's the new one.
Well, new what? What are you even looking at?
More puff.
The what?
Puff and puff, even more. Yes, that is so popular right now because it's the new one, I believe.
So compared to the old one,
Yes.
there
so
is
there
a
is a
new
one, but it's gonna give you like 2 wheels like this.
I see.
But I'm not sure if that's the right one because they said it's only in Florida right now that they have one.
Ah, well, clearly they have it here.
See?
Wow, baby.
And even more.
You're
Because my coworker.
addicted, aren't
no,
you?
My coworker wants
You know more
I
about
have to
this
take a
now.
picture of it. Hold on.
Ooh, the designs here are really nice. That's pretty cool, huh? This design in the background here. Ooh, one thing I love about this place. Right here, right where you walk in, the central bar. They have on display the shark. I don't know what kind of shark that is. Great white, section off to 3 pieces. It's creepy, yet totally awesome at the same time. This is their check-in area. It's kind of funny. They're saying, "Wish you were here." I'm like, I'm pretty sure I am here. Am I not here? I'm here.
That was not the right wheel.
Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. Let's go. Go. Go.
What am I getting? $25 promo share.
This place is pretty big, actually. I would say maybe we're about 3/4 of the way through. Lots of restaurants, amazing pool, which you're going to get a chance to see soon. In fact, we just spent the whole day there, upstairs in a cabana, and the cabanas here are super nice. Super nice. Only issue, it's so expensive to eat and drink in the pool area. Like ridiculously expensive. They give you a little dainty cup for soda and it's non-refillable. What is Ghost Bar? It's so mysterious. Never been here before. That's nice. Hey. Ah, Mexican place. I think that's new. I don't remember here before. Now I do remember there was a hidden place here before. Oh, they got a pizza place. You sure it's new, babe? How do you know? Do you remember? I don't think you even remember. I remember there was a hidden place in here. like a speakeasy. First you like go in, it's an arcade. Let's see if it's still there. It's still here.
This is the secret place.
Maybe a little too secret. How would people even know it's here? Real arcade machines that you got to open this freezer door.
Coca-Cola door. We're going in.
And it has the coolest art style here. Huh? Isn't that cool? It's like graffiti,
All over.
but art.
Do you think it's the same restaurant?
Yes, it is. Oh no, I think this place is closed. Oh no. This was one of the coolest places I was here before. Now it's gone, baby.
See, we are cursed. Every time we like something,
Seems like that. We like something and they close down.
close down.
Maybe because it's too secretive. Nobody knows it's there. Too secretive. Over here they got the Serrano Vista Cafe. This is their 24-hour cafe. I think it's 24 hours. You come here for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You're hungry. Cheapest spot in town. I know. Coffee smells good
Can
right
we
now.
have coffee?
You can have coffee. I prefer bubble tea right now. And this is your tower, Ludette.
That's my tower. It's my tower.
I smell something. Must be lobster night because all I smell is seafood. This is their buffet, all you can eat buffet. And I'd say it's the best. You know what? It's almost like too fishy, huh?
Yeah.
Like, ain't the freshest lobster in the world. Ew. But this is the deal. $65, all you can eat with lobster. That's cheaper than the buffet at the Wynn, and cheaper than the buffet at Caesars, and you do not get lobster there. And the brunch lobster, their brunch meal is actually really a good deal too. The lobster's not every night. It's only a couple of nights a week. So definitely check the calendar there because it's kind of a random couple of nights. I think it. Oh, wait a minute. It's lobster tonight. Lobster might be tonight. That's why it smells so funky fresh. This is the Pearl Theater. Oh, snap.
ZZ Top.
Are you trying to tell me ZZ Top is still... Well, they're still alive, it looks like it, but they're still playing even. ZZ Top looks like they've been senior citizens since the 40s. All right, I think we pretty much walked the whole floor at this point. That is the Palms, y'all. Looks great, right? It's vibing. There's a lot of people here. Wednesday night, this many people. All right, y'all. Don't forget to check out our slots channel. If you want to see more of us here in Vegas, where we try to win our retirement through gambling, surefire strategy.
I don't like that, John.
You're the one that's pulling the levers every time. All right, now it's time to go hunt down a slot machine.